Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to source for online income, smart tools, and financial freedom. In this video, we're diving deep into something most people overlook: browser extensions. But not just any extensions. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 Chrome extensions that actually pay you real money. That's right, you could be earning cash while browsing, shopping, or even doing absolutely nothing different than what you already do online. And the best part? These extensions are totally free, easy to use, and available to almost everyone. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, freelancer, or just someone looking to earn some extra money on the side, this is going to be worth your time. So sit back, relax, and let's explore how you can turn your Chrome browser into a passive income machine. 1. Swagbucks by Swagbucks. Let's start with one of the most well-known and reliable names in the online earning space: Swagbucks. The Swag button is their official Chrome extension that allows you to earn SB points just by browsing the web, shopping online, and discovering new deals. When you install the extension, you get notified about cashback opportunities at partnered retailers. It also alerts you to active coupon codes automatically and provides easy access to surveys and games that pay you in points. These points can be redeemed for PayPal cash or gift cards to Amazon, Walmart, and many other major stores. The best part? Swag button keeps working in the background. So, even if you're just doing your normal browsing, it finds ways for you to earn money passively. It's perfect for people who want to monetize their daily web activity without any extra effort. 2. qmee. qmee is another fantastic extension that turns your browsing into an income stream. Once installed, qmee runs silently in the background. Whenever you search for something on Google, Bing, or Amazon, qmee may display ads relevant to your search. Now, here's where the money comes in. If you click on those sponsor results, you earn real cash. And that's not points or tokens, actual money that goes straight into your qmee account. The best thing? There's no minimum withdrawal, so you can cash out via PayPal anytime you want, even if you've earned just a few cents. qmee also offers surveys, product deals, and coupon codes. It's lightweight, non-intrusive, and has a loyal user base because of its transparency and ease of use. 3. Rakuten, formerly Bates. Rakuten is primarily known for cashback, and its Chrome extension makes earning even easier. When you're shopping online, Rakuten's extension automatically pops up to let you know when a cashback offer is available on a site you're browsing. It works with thousands of online retailers like Macy's, Nike, and Best Buy. You can earn up to 10% cashback or even more during special promotional events. The best part is you don't need to remember anything. Rakuten activates cashback deals with just one click. It's seamless, and all your cashback accumulates in your account, which is paid out quarterly via check or PayPal. If you shop online even occasionally, using Rakuten is like getting paid for spending money you were already going to spend. 4. Upvoice. Now, this one's really unique. Upvoice pays you for visiting social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and YouTube. Once the extension is installed, it anonymously collects data about the ads you see while browsing these platforms. In return, you earn daily tokens just for doing what you already do, scrolling through social media. These tokens can be exchanged for gift cards from major brands like Amazon, Starbucks, and Target. Upvoice is transparent about its data collection and doesn't track your personal information or behavior. It's a great way to passively earn while staying on top of your favorite social networks. 5. Honey with Honey Gold Rewards. Most people know Honey as the extension that finds and applies coupon codes during checkout. But what many don't realize is that it also has a rewards system called Honey Gold. Whenever you make a purchase at a supported retailer, you earn Honey Gold points, which can be redeemed for gift cards. The process is fully automated. All you need to do is install Honey and shop like usual. The extension does the rest. Honey is now owned by PayPal, adding an extra layer of trust. It's free, safe, and a fantastic way to save money and earn rewards at the same time. Bonus tips for maximum earnings. Use multiple extensions together for more earning opportunities. Just ensure they don't conflict. Create a separate email address to manage extension-related signups and offers. Keep track of your earnings monthly to stay motivated. Take advantage of referral bonuses offered by most of these platforms. So, Those are the top 5 Chrome extensions that can actually put money back in your pocket. The best thing is that none of them require you to change your habits drastically. With just a few clicks, you can install them and start earning today. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these extensions are you going to try first? Or do you already use one of them and have a success story to share? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's help each other grow. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more people discover this kind of content. And if you want more videos on earning online, financial tools, and passive income strategies, be sure to subscribe to InvestoSphere and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay profitable.